Hey, YouTube. Um, I'm just coming on here today. Happy holidays. I decided to come on here, and do a YouTube video. Share some of my knowledge I learned from going to college. I'm a criminal justice major. Actually, I studied criminal justice for 4 years. 2 years at Wonder Community College in Rochester, New York, and 2 years at Everest Institute. And I graduated at Everest in 2012. Here's my associate's degree in criminal justice, Everest Institute. Let me see. Rufus Jones, Social Applied Science, 2012. I just wanted to come on here and do a video. I wanted to start, you know, um, my God, Most High Yahuwah, has instructed me, inspired me, and spiritually and instructed me to share my knowledge, what I learned in school. I'm going to start mostly about federal law. I'm going to start with the U.S. Supreme Court. You know, um, as you know, the U.S. Supreme Court is the highest court in the United States, and a lot of times, from my experience, I like talking about me. I don't like talking about nobody else. From my experience, you know, um, I did a few petitions in the U.S. Supreme Court, which were denied. It seems like the U.S. Supreme Court denies all petitions, which they have that right, but it's some petitions under the Constitution that they have original jurisdiction, under the Constitution, Article 3. And I'm going to read this, page 261 in this law dictionary by Stephen Giffis. Um, Let me see, let me show you. Because I do research, and law dictionary, Barron, Stephen Giffis, third edition. It's an old law dictionary, but it's still good. But anyway, I want to read this. That's you guys. I'm gonna read it. You guys just watch while I read it. The original jurisdiction of the court to hear matters. This is the U.S. Supreme Court now. In the first instance, for example, the U.S. Supreme Court has original jurisdiction to hear cases affecting ambassadors, other public ministers and councils, and those in which the state shall be a party. U.S. Constitution, Article 3, Section 2. Okay, so what that's saying, that you got an issue with any state government official, you can apply for a petition for the Supreme Court to hear that petition. And the Supreme Court, under the Constitution, is supposed to hear that petition. But it has to be a federal violation. If it's a federal or constitutional violation, I don't know if it's a federal violation. I'm just going to stick with the Constitution. If it's a constitutional violation, for instance, I'm going to use the issues I dealt with, the supremacy clause. If the state is going against a federal law or a state law, that's a violation of Article 6, Section 2 of the U.S. Constitution, supremacy clause. Because the U.S. Supreme Court, has original jurisdiction to hear that issue. So I just wanted to, make this video, share my knowledge. God has instructed me to do this, the Most High, Yahuwah, so I'm a public servant of the Most High, and because a lot of people don't know their rights, even maybe some lawyers can benefit from this, but the Supreme Court is supposed to, keep these states in check, and I've been dealing with an issue with the state. I'm not going to speak on my issue right now, but I'm just saying, you know, um, sometimes people, government, state officials, they cross the line. And the Supreme Court has a responsibility to make sure that these government officials follow the U.S. Constitution. And I'm going to, I did some more research on this, but if anybody have any questions about this, I got some case laws to support that. If you got any questions, you could, send me a comment or whatever, and I'll respond to you with research, not just talk, research. Facts, something that's proven. Facts is something that's proven. People talk a lot about facts. Facts are not facts if they're not proven to be true. Look up the definition of facts. Evidence and facts is two different things. 'Cause I took an evidence class, in my criminal justice studies, and it's clearly two different things. Facts is things that are proven to be true. Evidence is something to prove facts. You prove facts with evidence, so it's two different things. But anyway, I just wanted to make this short video. You know, for some reason, my Most High just told me to make this video. And you guys, I love y'all. God bless y'all. Stay safe. And have a nice holiday and peace.